Good morning students, I am Gautam Singh Chaudhary and today I teach you maths. Today I teach you find the common factors. Find the common factors. So first my question is find the common factors. See here. Find the common factors number A, question number A, 12 and 16. First I am write here two numbers 12 and 16. So write the all factors. You know the factors means what? Factors means a number. Just I am write here 12 and 16. 12 which number to divisible. 12 which number to divisible. So I am write here first factors of 12. Factors of 12 equal to, it means 12 which number to divisible, those numbers I am write first. You know students, 1 to every number is divisible. 1 to every number is divisible. So I am first write here 1. 1 I am write first because 1 to 12 is divisible. So next number 1 after I am checking which number to 12 is divisible, that is 2. Because table of 2 also 12 is coming. So I am also write 2. So I am also write here 2. Next number I am write which number? Again 2 after which one? 3. So 3 to again I am when checking 12, then 12 is also divisible. So I am write here 3 also. 3 to also divisible by 12. 3 4s are 12. It means 3 table also coming 12. Next number 3 after 4. 4 table also is coming 12 because 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So I am also write here 4. Next 5. 5 to 12. 5 table 12 coming? Not coming. So 5 is not a factor of 12. Second, 5 after next number is 6. So when you read the table 6, it means 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. Then also is coming 12. Table of 6. So I am 6 also write here. Because 6 1s are 6 and 6 2s are 12. So 6 is also factor of 12. Next one 7. 7 to coming 12. No. Because 7 table 12 is not coming, 8 also is not coming, 9, 10, 11. This table to not coming 12. Last factor of 12 is 12. It means itself. So I am write factors of 12 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are factors of 12. Second, factors of 16 equal to. Again you write the factors of 16. Then you read the table 1 to every number is divisible. So any numbers when you find the factors, then 1 you necessary to write. So 1 again write here. 1 after 2 table also is coming 16. So 2 8s are, it means 2 table also coming 16. 3 table 16 is coming, not coming. It means 3 you don't write. Now 4 to try. 4 table is 16 coming. 4 4s are 16. Then write 4. So you write here 4. Next one 5. Table 5 16 not coming. 6 also not coming. 7 also not coming. 16 already number. So 8 table. You check the 8 table, then 8 table coming 16. So 8 is a factor of 16. 8 and last factor is that is 16 itself, because 8 after numbers it means 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This number to not divisible by 16. So not factors. Then this number to 16 is divisible last, that is 16 itself, because 16 to 16 divide one time. So 16 is also a factor. Now question is what? Find the common factors. Find the common factors. Now you write therefore common factors. Common factors of 12 and 16 equal to, you see both factors which is common, it means both numbers factor. 12 factors 1 2 3 4 5, 6 and 12, and factors of 16 equal to 1 2 4 8 and 16. So you see here common factors of 12 and 16 is 1 2. See here 1 2 and one number more, that is 4. So common factors of 12 and 16 is 1 2 and 1, 2 and 4. These are common factors. So common factors of 12 and 16 you are see here. Next, more one question you see here, B number, that is common factors of 30 and 40. 30 and 40. You find the common factors. So first you write again factors of 30 equal to factors of 30 equal to which number to coming 30. It means which number to you are capable to divide 30. Those numbers you write. Exactly first question I am telling to you 1 to every number is divisible. So I am 1 here write first. Thereafter 2 to also it is divisible. My dear students, one thing more I am telling to everybody. First you learn the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. These numbers divisibility rules you are everybody learn first. Then you are solving this type question. Then you have very easy to solve those questions. Otherwise some problem coming because you are read the table. Thereafter you are checking this number to divisible or not divisible. But if you are learn divisibility rules, then you are not taking much time to solving these questions because you have first know the rules of divisibility. So I know, but I am explaining about reading way. So 30, okay, it is its numbers unit place is what 0. Then you know the divisibility rules. Any numbers one's place is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Then that number is divisible by 2. So it means 2 is also factor of 30. So 2 is also factor of 30 because 30 is unit place is what percent? 0%. So you write 2 is also factor of 30. Third number 3. 3's divisibility rule is telling any numbers sum of numbers. Any numbers sum of numbers is multiples of 3. Then that number is also divisible by 3. So you see here 3 plus 0. If 2 plus 3 plus 0, then answer is what coming 3. So 3 is already multiple of 3. 3 1s are 3. So 3 to also 30 is divisible. So I am 3 also write a factor of 30. Next 4. 4 divisibility rules telling any numbers 1 and 10's place if divisible by 4, then that number is divisible by 30. So here see 1s and 10s both number here this question 30, but 30 is not coming table of 4. So you don't write here 4 the factor of 30. Next you try 5. 5 divisibility rule is telling any numbers unit place, it means 1's place 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. So 30 unit place is what percent 0. It means 30 is a 5 is a factor of 30. So you write also 5. And when you read the table another way 5, 6 are 30, then also coming. So this both type you are checking which number to which numbers are factors of any numbers. Now I am checking the factors of 6. Factors of 6. It means 30 is divisible by 6 or not. But one more rule, that is the divisibility of 6. Any numbers is divisible by 2 and 3. Then that number is also divisible by 6. So you see here factors of 30 I am already written 2 and 3. Then also 6 is a factor of 30. 6 is a factor of 30. So you write here 6. Next one 7. 7 table is 30 not coming. 8 table also not coming because 30 is not divisible by 7. 8 to also not divisible. 9 to also not divisible. Okay. And last one that is 10. Table 10 to it is divisible. Its unit place is 0. It means any numbers is divisible by 10 which numbers unit place is 0. So 10 is a factor of 30. So 10 also write here. Next number 11. 11 to divisible, not divisible. You are seeing here 30 and 11. 3 are 33, not divisible. 12, 13, 14, 15, any number. 14 to also not divisible, but 15 to divisible. So 15 is a factor of 30. Now last number that is 30. These are factors of 30. Last you write here and 30. Last number, so you write here and 30. Again you check the factors of 40. One is every numbers factor, 2 to divisible 40 because unit place is 0. So again you write 2 factor of 40. 3 is not factor of 40. 4 is a factor of 40. 3 is not a factor of 30. Why? Because when 2 plus 4 plus 0, then 4, and 4 is not coming in table of 3. It means 4 is not a multiple of 3. So 3 is not a factor of 40. Now 4. 4, ones and tens place number. If divisible by 4, then that is a factor of, then that is a divisible by 40. So here is ones and tens place is 40 and table of 4 is coming 40. So it is a 40 is also factor 4. Next you try 5. 5 table to also 40 divisible because unit place 0. So you write here again 5 and 6 not, 7 not, 8 not, 8 yes 8 because both numbers ones tens place is divisible by table of 8 to 8 5 is 40. So 8 is a factor of also 40. Next number is 9, not factor of 40. 10 is a factor of 40. Unit place is 0, so it is divisible by 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, any number is now not factor of 40. Last factor of 40 is 20 and number itself it means 40. So now you write therefore common factors of 30 and 40. 30 and 40. Common factors of 30 and 40 equal to 1. See here 1 both numbers factor, 2 is both numbers factor, and 3 not, 4 not, 5 is both numbers factor, and this one is both numbers factor 10. So you also write 10 and anyone? No. So common factors of 30 and 40 is 1, 2, 5 and 10. 1, 2, 5 and 10. These are common factors. My dear students, how do you find the factors of any numbers? Now you know. And common factor, how to I am find this one also you know. Second topic I teach you today. So first today I am first this topic completed, and next video I teach you find the HCF of by the prime factorization method and division method. So today I am finished in this video and you see proper way and understood this one properly. Thanks.